Tongkat Ali, or Eurycoma longifolia, is a plant native to Southeast Asia. It is a type of flowering shrub, and its roots are often used in traditional medicine. Common names include Malaysian ginseng, longjak, and Paisak bumi. It's traditionally been used as an aphrodisiac and a remedy for age-related sexual disorders and symptoms of andropause. It's also been used to help treat a variety of other conditions, from fever to ulcers. Here are some of the potential health benefits of Tongkat Ali. Boosts testosterone levels. One of the main reasons people use Tongkat Ali is its potential to boost testosterone levels, which could improve libido, fertility, and muscle mass. Enhances sexual function. Associated with its potential effects on testosterone, Tongkat Ali has been traditionally used to improve sexual function and treat erectile dysfunction. Improves fertility. Some studies suggest that Tongkat Ali may improve sperm quality, which could potentially improve fertility in men. Reduces stress. Tongkat Ali may have anti-stress effects. A study found that individuals who consumed Tongkat Ali showed lower levels of cortisol, the body's main stress hormone. Boosts energy levels. Anecdotal reports and some studies suggest that Tongkat Ali may increase energy levels, potentially due to its effects on balancing hormones. Enhances muscle strength. Due to its potential effect on testosterone levels, some studies suggest that Tongkat Ali may increase muscle strength and mass, especially when combined with exercise. Improves bone health. Early research suggests that, due to its testosterone-enhancing effects, Tongkat Ali could have a positive impact on bone health, but more studies are needed. Anti-inflammatory effects. In vitro studies have found that Tongkat Ali has anti-inflammatory properties, which could potentially have wide-ranging health benefits. Antimicrobial properties. Some research has shown that Tongkat Ali might have antimicrobial properties, potentially fighting off harmful bacteria and other microbes. Anti-cancer potential. Preliminary research suggests that Tongkat Ali may have anti-cancer properties. Some laboratory studies have found that it can kill cancer cells, but this effect has not yet been studied adequately in humans. While these potential benefits are promising, it's important to keep in mind that more extensive and rigorous clinical trials are needed to conclusively establish these benefits. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting to take Tongkat Ali or any other supplements, especially if you're taking other medications or have chronic health conditions. In terms of how to take Tongkat Ali, it is typically sold in supplement form, and the dosage can vary depending on the specific product and the reason for use. It's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions or a healthcare provider's advice when determining the right dosage. As for the expected results, this can vary significantly between individuals. Some people might notice an increase in energy, improvements in mood, or changes in libido after consistent use. Others might not notice any significant effects. It's important to keep in mind that supplements like Tongkat Ali should not be seen as a magic cure-all, but rather as one part of a holistic approach to health and well-being.